Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm with you with one new video. Intense platinum yellow for you today. I will explain in detail how to do this. Your hair before. I packed the back parts. Now I wanted to show you on the way to the front. Her hair and I separated 5 main sections. The top part as left and back part of right. I'm taking it in one piece here. Crepe the bottoms of the hair. After taking it in one piece and pack it like this. After receiving in one piece, it's denser when I pack it, and we can get it in a natural look like this. First your hair under the foil. A little. I'm applying an opening. Sticks to the hair after applying the opener. Dispersio. I can move forward like this comfortably. Then hair the opener. I apply to extended sections. Your hair, they have yellow sections on the ends, available in platinum yellow tips, without bringing them too much. Yellow here. I apply the opener to the bottoms of the hair. To the bottom. I'm applying it here with vertical brush strokes of your hair. Hair, the opener. We penetrate inside. Here as an opener, 30 grams. 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 1.5 yours, as you can drive comfortably. You can apply the mixture. As you can see here, without bringing too much to the ends of the hair. Because if too comes to the ends of the hair during packaging, as you can see, because it's yellow, there may be a lot of wear. We immediately apply it to the elongated parts of the hair. And here I am packing. Let's say the bottoms of the hair after the packaging process is finished. If the hair is well opened. The ends of the hair again after the moon opens. We apply now. Opener, fresh one, so with low volume. I apply it. I pass it in a second time because the colors and the color of the hair should be the same. So the ends of the hair. Prepare an angle fresh opener. A guy. So much. Prepare 10 volumes, not a high volume. Because it is already we provide hair color balance. Then do the polishing process. We'll finish. See you. Yes, I'm making some pancakes on the bottom of the hair here. I'll take it in one piece. Here it's in one piece. Highlight process. Well, if you want, you can also separate slices. If you want to get a natural look. If you want to get a classic one look, you separate slices. She too intense, more intense blonde. Like this, if you want, you can get it in one piece. There are many kinds of retouching techniques available. Thinner, thicker. Very thick. This is the thickest. So it is taken in one piece without any discrimination. A thin piece is taken after that. From the lengthened sections of the hair. Let's say your hair it's time to highlight. To the bottom of the hair, because it's time to highlight. And applied opener, so it needs to be refreshed. With such a work. We continue our interview work, a guy. See you soon. Yes, as you can see, we are about to finish our packaging. After it's over. I'll wash your milk. We will rinse the unfolded section of the hair. We will apply our last polish. Here about 12.0 as polish. I applied polish cold 12 points by mixing 12.0 with 1. I applied polish. Get a cooler and platinum one look. We finished our work, friends. If you want to get one such interview service to my salon in Beylik, you can come and get a commentary service from me. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Our place is in Istanbul, Beylik, ZE. You can come by contacting me from my social media addresses. My social media addresses in the description section of my video. Hope to see you. Goodbye.